Hey there, this is Alula LV. Today I have a really special Longchamp unboxing to share with you. I recently got my first leather bag from Longchamp. I went on a really special shopping trip with my friend Dawn from the channel Dawn Loves Couture, and I will share with you how I managed to get this bag for a whopping 73% off the retail price. If you're new here, welcome. Thank you so much for joining me. And if you're returning, welcome back. This is Alula LV, and I'm an avid luxury lover, particularly of Louis Vuitton, but I also like to make smart decisions with how I spend my money. That's why on my channel, I'm all about sharing advice you can actually use to make smarter luxury shopping decisions based on my experiences as a luxury consumer. If you're new here, I would really love for you to subscribe and join our little community on this channel. I put out new videos every Friday. Let's get into the topic of today's video. Let me share with you what I bought at Longchamp. I recently had a really fun shopping day with my friend Dawn. She has a YouTube channel, Dawn Loves Couture. I will link to her channel. Definitely check it out if you haven't already. And Dawn and I got together. We had lunch, chatted, caught up on life, and then went shopping at Longchamp. But we did not go to a Longchamp store. We actually went to their North American distribution center. I've done a few videos on the Longchamp distribution center in the past. I will link to those videos down below. I show a little bit more footage in those videos about what it's like shopping there. But just to give you a really quick summary, if you are new, Longchamp has one warehouse or distribution center for all of North America. So all of their product that goes to their North American boutiques goes through this center. Also, all of the online orders for North America are fulfilled there. I just so happen to live near this distribution center. It's located in central New Jersey. 2 days a week. They do open to the public by appointment only. Again, this is a corporate office and warehouse. It's not a store. It's not an outlet center. If you happen to live locally in central New Jersey, you can call or email them and make a shopping appointment. The items that they sell there are discontinued items. Of course, the boutiques only sell their current season's stock. So anything that's not current season gets sent back to the warehouse and you can shop it for a huge discount. They also sell items that were used for promotional purposes. So for example, if a bag was used in a photo shoot, they won't go ahead and send that bag to a boutique to sell. It will go to the warehouse and it will be sold at a discount. So once a year in November, they have a friends and family sale. This year, I think they called it their Thanksgiving sale. And I purchased my first bag in leather from Longchamp. All of my Longchamp bags are in nylon. They're from the Le Pliage line. I absolutely love them. But when I saw this bag, I knew I had to have it. So here's the bag. It comes in a dust bag as well. Let me get the receipt out because I will share the price with you and the exact savings. But let me show you what I got first. Let's open this up, and this is a beautiful bag from the Roseau line. I believe I got this gorgeous crossbody bag in leather. This is Cuir de Vachette, which is Vachetta leather, and of course it is treated and it's colored. It's a beautiful deep gray color, and it has this beautiful burgundy line glazing, all around the edges of the leather on the bag and on the strap. And it has the beautiful silver bamboo hardware. When you open it up, it's just one open compartment. There are two snaps on the side, so you can unsnap the sides, and it makes it quite a lot easier to get in and out of the bag. It just has the beautiful suede interior lining. It's the back side of the leather. And there's a slip pocket in the back, and in silver there's a little silver metal plaque in the back. That's the Longchamp logo. So this is a really, really gorgeous bag. I love it. You can also wear it with the sides winged out, but let me just snap them back up. It looks really cute snapped up. Of course, it does have an adjustable crossbody strap. There's a few settings on the side to adjust it, but it is primarily a crossbody bag. You could wear it as a long shoulder. So I don't know the exact name of this bag, of course, because it's not still available in the boutiques. I couldn't find it on their website. I found a few resale sites that still had this available. So I'll link to any of those in the description box below. But all I could find was just a generic name for this. It said like Roseau crossbody bag or Roseau flap bag. This does also come in a really bright hot pink color, but I went with the gray. This was actually the last one that they had in the sale, so I was really excited to get this. And let me share with you the price. We'll set that down. The original retail price of this bag was $550. I received a 73% discount. That's $400 off. I paid $150 US for this bag. So down from the original price of $550, I paid only $150. That's an amazing deal. So if you do live in central New Jersey, I would definitely recommend go online. You can look it up on Google search. The Longchamp warehouse, the little store inside is actually called Cheryl's Closet. So it's basically an employee store, but they are open to the public by appointment on Tuesdays and Thursdays. You can go in and shop there. So if you ever find yourself in central New Jersey, it is definitely worth a stop. I'm going to do a really quick measurement and what fits in this bag in case you happen to find it on the resale market. I will give you a quick overview of the size and what fits. Okay, I have just filled up this bag with what I have been carrying in this bag every single day since I've bought this bag. I've been using it. So let me show you what fits. Let me give you the measurements first. It's 9 inches across in length, 6.5 inches in height. On the side, there's about 4 inches in depth at the bottom. It does narrow towards the top, and there's about 2.5 inches in depth at the top. Now, let's see what's inside. Let me tuck my key fob out of the way. This is how I've been carrying it, and you can see it's a very snug fit. So let me open up the sides to give you a better view. And here we go. I will take everything out. There's not too much in here. I have my 6-key holder from Louis Vuitton. I have my mini pochette accessoire, again from Louis Vuitton. This is a little big to fit in this bag. It does fit, there's plenty of room for it, but it takes up a lot of space. I have all of my bits and bobs in here, little makeup, wipes, etc. So I have my mini pochette accessoire. I have a compact wallet. This is the YSL Cassandra wallet. It's also the same size as the Victorine wallet from Louis Vuitton. And I do have my phone case in here. This is the iPhone Pro Max. So you can see there's plenty of room for the Pro Max phone. All of this fits in really nicely, and this is crossbody. I'm very tall. I'm about 5 feet 8 inches tall, and this lays just perfectly at my hips. So I'm really happy with this purchase. I'm so excited to finally have a full leather bag from Longchamp. I've only had this for about 4 days, but I've been using it every single day that I've had it. It's a beautiful bag. It's really refined and elegant, but it's not too formal for my day-to-day wear, I do tend to be quite casual in my day-to-day outfits. So I do love that I can both dress this up and wear it casually. This is a really beautiful bag. I'm really happy with the quality of it. Let me know if you have this bag, what you think of it. And as always, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to come back every Friday for new videos. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye now.